A viewer asked how to install Goose, and the honest answer is simpler than the hype. There is no IPA or finished release to download yet. The GitHub releases page currently has no release assets. So if you are looking for a normal phone app install flow, this is not there right now. Goose is source only unless the author publishes a test flight build, App Store build, or downloadable package later. The README is very clear, and this is why the answer needs integrity. It calls Goose an alpha proof of concept. It says the build is for developers to evaluate whether a project of this scope is viable. It says it is not ready to use as an app for tracking personal health data yet. It also says if you do not know what Xcode is or how to build the Rust core, this build is not for you. That is not hidden fine print. That is the main install caveat. The prerequisite list is developer territory. You need a Mac with Xcode and command line tools. You need Rust through RustUp. You need the iOS Rust targets. You need Apple signing so Xcode can build to your own device. And you need to be comfortable with a project that can lag, break, or change quickly. This is not the same as downloading a polished App Store app. The high-level path is clone the repo, open the Goose Swift project in Xcode, build the Rust core, set the signing team, connect your iPhone, and build and run to your own device. If that sentence already feels confusing, that is the answer. Wait for a public beta or a real release. For developers, the source is there to inspect and experiment with. For normal users, it is not a clean install path yet. There is also a trust line. Do not call this a finished Whoop replacement. Do not claim the health metrics are accurate without device testing and validation. Do not imply affiliation with Whoop. Do not frame it as a paywall bypass. The interesting story is local-first experimentation around Whoop 5.0 data. The honest story is that it is early, developer-only, and not ready for serious personal health decisions. So my verdict is clear. If you are a developer with Xcode, Rust, and an Apple signing setup, Goose is something you can evaluate from source. If you are asking for a download button, wait. Watch the releases page or a test flight announcement. For now, no IPA means no normal install.